Here are some short insights or solutions to your Oculus not turning on. The first is to power on your Oculus Quest headset. Simply press the power button found on the right side of the device. Press it and hold for at least 3 seconds. Take a look at the LED light found next to the power button. If it is solid white in color, this means that the VR headset is starting to boot up. If this normal way does not work for your headset, let's move on to some more advanced steps. Here you can see hold down power button. Do a hard reboot. Hold down the power button for more than 30 seconds and up to 60 seconds until you see that the LED light turns white. There have been many cases in which this method works in rectifying the issue. You can also hold down power and volume buttons. So if the previous step does not help you troubleshoot the problem, now hold the power and volume down button for 20 seconds or more. Make sure to do this simultaneously. Doing this can help launch the boot menu of the VR headset. Then use the volume up and down buttons to navigate to the exit and boot device menu. Make use of the power button and press it down briefly to confirm this action. You can also try and charge the Oculus. You can use the alternate charging cable if you think that there is a problem with charging cable. You can also factory reset. If all else fails, you know that it is time to factory reset. Factory default settings usually help in most cases as you get to work on a blank slate. To do this, hold down both the power and volume down button until you see the boot menu. Navigate to the factory reset menu and confirm it. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.